We're going to review the top 5 best engine model kits, that you can choose the right one for your purpose. Number 1. Franzis Boxer Motor. BMW R90S Flat Twin Engine. Build your own classic, working BMW flat twin model from 1,973,200 part kit. 1:2 scale transparent working model * working 5-speed gearbox * original engine sound. Collector's manual. The R90S was one of the motorcycle icons of the 1970s par excellence, and considered by many to be one of the greatest motorcycles ever made. When it came on the market in 1973, it was one of the fastest series production motorcycles of its time and the top-of-the-range model of the 6 Type series made by the Bavarian motorcycle manufacturer. Number 2. Junostar Low Temperature. With high-quality components like nickel-plated carbon steel, the Junostar Low Temperature should serve as an attractive display for years to come. It's relatively simple to assemble and makes a great teaching tool for kids and adults alike. Just place on a mug of hot water and give it a spin and you're up and running. As long as enough temperature difference maintains, it will keep running like Forrest Gump. People will be shocked and surprised once this little engine start to work. It will definitely be a great conversation piece on your desk. Number 3. Porsche 911 Flat 6. Now you can build a fully functional 1-4 model of an all-time classic motor, the Flat 6 engine from the Porsche 911. This detailed replica features more than 280 components found in the real thing, and transparent casing so the moving parts can be seen when switched on. It also features engine sounds. This is a great introduction for kids to the inner workings of such an iconic car engine and great building set for the hobby and car enthusiasts. Includes a detailed manual, with clear instructions and diagrams to follow. Number 4. Atlantis Allison Propjet. A reissue of a classic kit many enthusiasts loved when they were kids, the Atlantis Allison Propjet features moving parts in 4 distinct colors. It's an accurate representation of the real thing, having been adapted from actual Allison blueprints. This kit comes with 2-color 8-page instructions, educational booklet, updated decals, and molded in black, silver, blue and orange. Officially licensed. Over 240 parts, a huge model at over 16 inches long. Skill level 3, ages 14 and up. Number 5. Haynes Build Your Own. For the budding mechanic. Learn to construct a fully working model of a car engine with ignition sound and light-up spark plugs. This fun and challenging model is endorsed by Hayes. Kit contains all the tools you need and over 100 detailed and precise parts. Includes electric motor and instructions. Requires 2 AA batteries.